Hey guys, Millionaire Advice here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you a free and easy method to make money online. That's right, you heard it correctly. You can earn $7 per video by just watching 30 seconds of it. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my future videos. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. Now, let's dive into how you can earn money just by watching videos. First, you need to head over to the website called Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards and loyalty program where you can earn points for completing simple tasks such as watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online, and more. Once you sign up for Swagbucks, navigate to the video section and start watching videos. You only need to watch 30 seconds of each video to earn 2 Swagbucks points, which is equivalent to 2 cents. That may not seem like a lot, but if you watch 10 videos, you can earn 20 cents. And if you watch 30 videos, you can earn 60 cents. But that's not all. Swagbucks also offers a daily bonus where you can earn up to 10% extra points on your total earnings. So, the more videos you watch, the more money you can earn. And that's not the only way to earn money on Swagbucks. As I mentioned earlier, you can also earn points by taking surveys, shopping online, and more. The points you earn can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, or other prizes. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Swagbucks today and start earning money just by watching videos. It's a free and easy method to make money online, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to earn some extra cash in their spare time. That's all for today's video. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also, let me know if you've tried Swagbucks before and how much money you've earned from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.